Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So today we are at AutoNelin. Special thanks for having us here today. And in this video we'll check out the all new BMW X5 facelift, the LCI. And we will check out the exterior, interior and also the infotainment system. So let's start. Alright guys, so let's start with the exterior, the all new BMW X5. This is the restyling, the facelift version, refresh, the LCI. And as you can see, I think this looks much better than the previous generation and also the previous version of the X5. Personally, I really like this new facelift because it looks more sporty than the previous predecessor. This is actually the metallic white color, and we can see we have also very nicely integrated the black parts on the front. So this is the M Sport package, and you can see that the grille here, the kidney grille, is actually in matte black. Also the grille itself is in gloss black, and the middle part of the front bumper is in gloss black as well, which gives this car a sporty look. Also you can see each side of the car has now body color and the middle is in black. I think this looks very good in my opinion. Also check out here the vents. So they redirect air, as you can see there, around the side of the car, also in the black color as well. And these intakes as well, these are actually, from this side they are cosmetic, but from this side they are functional. So really nice. Also here you can see the camera and BMW logo here. What is also a big difference are these new daylight running lights. So you can see there are like an arrow facing outwards of the car, and here we can see the LED lights, and here you can see the main headlights in between. These are actually BMW LED, so you can see these like a small crystals design as well. And also the lights itself are very nice. Actually you can see like a small dots, so it's not one light but a lot of small dots. So I think very good in my opinion. Looks very cool. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Also here is the radar, very nicely in the middle of the car. So it's not, not looking bad actually, looking very good. And now we can check out the side of the car. These are the M Sport wheels with red brake calipers, M Sport as well. You can see the M logo here. These are Pirelli tires, 275/40, 21 inch. And it's like a blend of the silver and also black colors. Very good looking wheels in my opinion. And here is a M logo, and it's like a cosmetic side vent, but yeah, looks good. The window trim is in gloss black for more sporty look. And these are the Pirelli P0, 315, 30, 21 inch with M logo here as well, red brake calipers. And here we can see this is a diesel version for Europe with the AdBlue as well, B7 diesel. And here is a look from the back. You can see that the lights are actually brand new for the facelift, and they have also brand new design, more angular here, like this L shape, and they are sticking on the outside as well, so you can see it here. And BMW, they are also like a shadow, so they are darkened definitely. X5 logo here in the chrome, and xDrive 30D, so this is a diesel version. And the exhaust here is in black, as you can see here. And diffuser is more like cosmetic, but looks good. And we have like these sort of diffusers, they are cosmetic as well. Here is also the side profile of the new X5. You can see the pearlescent effect of the car, and also this line which goes towards the back and connects ends there basically. Very nice. And the second line goes there. So overall, a really good looking car with the facelift, much better in my opinion. And here is look from the side at the lights. So here, as you can see, new style key fob by BMW. You can lock with the BMW logo and unlock here the boot and also the car. Alright, so now let's check out the interior. Also check out here the M logo and also here, and the aluminum rubber pedals. We have these very cool, in my opinion, very cool spec, which has this brown leather. You can check out the name of the leather on the screen, and check out here this like not diamond stitching, but this sort of, yeah, cool pattern, we can say, stitching. And this is the high quality leather. Check it out. Also here in the door cards, a very nice aluminum line here, and the speakers are here, piano black, and here is a place for a water bottle and some storage space, memory seats, and here you can control also the seat, I believe the passenger seat, if you press this button. So now let's hop inside. Alright guys, and here is how the front looks from the back seats. Let you know how to like the new updated interior of the X5 facelift. New X5 and X6 facelifts, they bring the refreshed interior, we can say. So here we have this all new curved display as an infotainment screen, and you can see here the M Sport steering wheel with M logo stitched in leather as well. And let you know how to like this new setup. I think it looks good, and yeah, I really like this layout with the horizontal displays. Also the air vents here, you can close them or open them like this. Check it out. Here is also Harman Kardon sound system, so you can lock the car, also unlock it, window buttons, and this middle panel with the gear selector, which looks like a crystal actually. Here is also the vent. I will close it just for now for the so the microphone doesn't blow here. And check out how the air vents are located. So they have like this small stripe where you can control where the air goes actually here. This is pretty cool, and they are sort of like a hidden. You can close or open and redirect like this with this knob. Check it out, that's pretty cool. And here is this crystal, which basically you can change here the reverse, neutral, drive and park, and also the sport. Turn on the traction control, parking sensors, and here is a start engine stop button. It also has like a 3D letters on the inside. Check it out. Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro, hill descent control, auto hold, parking brake, and here we have this wheel which you control the infotainment system with. So you can scroll like this, check it out. Or this is also touchscreen, so you can touch as well. So here in the middle we have some storage space, 2 cup holders, and 12-volt socket as well, USB-A port. This is actually the BMW digital key with the NFC and M logo, pretty cool as well. And some storage space there, and you can close it like this. Here we have volume knob, hazard lights for the skip the tracks, and also here we have the max and rear defrost and max defrost on the front. Here in the middle we have the armrest, so you can open it like this. We have a USB-C port, some storage space, pretty deep actually, very cool. And here is this beautiful brown leather. I really like this spec. Definitely let me know how you like this one. Also, you can see here arrows, same as in the front headlights actually, and X5 there. Check it out. So we have X5 and also arrows, and you can see here, check it out, the gesture. So if I do like this, you can see the gesture there. So it actually can change tracks. I think this is, yes, this is for the volume. Actually pretty cool. It's like a gimmick, but I'm laughing here, so it's pretty cool. Here it's actually probably some door is open, but not sure if mine. Yes. Okay, so now you can close it, open it, and here we have lights as well. You can turn them on. This is for the huge panoramic sunroof. You can also open it like this. Also we have this small arrow part. Also you can close it. It's a little bit tinted as well. You can close it and open it for the ventilation, only like this. And we can also close the sunshade here, so it can be fully closed. The sunshade is not see-through at all, so yeah, it will be fully closed as well. So that's actually very good, because sometimes even the tinted glass is not enough when it's too hot. And here we have the all-new infotainment system, iDrive 8 for the X5 facelift. Here we have these like small widgets, telephone, radio, personal assistant, BMW weather, route preview, traffic condition, and you can also add other widgets. I think this is pretty cool. Also here you can see the map, for example. Really cool actually. I really like this. And here we have small icons, telephone, navigation, weather, new seat comfort, live vehicle, etc, etc. So many settings. Drive recorder, actually YouTube, so you can check the YouTube also in the car. Login with the BMW ID. So yeah, very cool actually for the new iDrive system. I really like this one. Also check out here the cameras while I'm parking. So you can see from all aspects. We can leave it on auto, or you can see this side. Yeah, it's pretty quiet here, difficult to judge, but you can see here the rear as well. Also from this side you can see our automatic as well, assist view, panorama view, so many actually, and high definition cameras. Check it out. And here with this, if you change the driving mode, I believe also these changes with the colors. Check it out. Now it's in comfort, Eco Pro, it looks different. Comfort looks like this, and Sport Individual. Eco Pro Individual you can configure as well. Then we have Comfort, and then we have Sport, and also Sport Individual, which you can configure how you want. And here is a climate menu, so you can change a bunch of stuff. Very good actually for the BMW. I really like this new. I just turned it on the radio by accident, but yeah, usually you don't do gestures with your hands in the car, but yeah, if you do, you can use it like this. So seat controls are actually here on the side of the seat next to the door. And now let's check out the rear. I set the seat as I would drive, and we can close the door now. So these nets are actually here, they are manual, so you can close and open them like this. Very nice to have this as well. And here is how much legroom do I have here. I think it's pretty fine. It's about, I would say, 10 centimeters, about 4 inches here. I think can go the attachment to the TV, the display, and also USB-C port, nicely hidden as well. And here we have the AC, and the vents, some storage space as well. And here underneath we can find USB-C ports, and I believe this is a 12-volt socket. Yes, so here we have the 12-volt socket as well, and 2 USB-C ports. Also place for the ISOFIX child seat. Here in the middle we can find the armrest. This one hides some storage space in the middle. Here we have two cup holders as well, nicely hidden. They are also adjustable, as you can see, very cool. And the seat belts have actually BMW colors here. So on the top we have this huge panoramic sunroof, as you can see, super cool. I think this is a must-have for the SUVs, so you can have a more sun and or light if it's not sunny like right now coming to the interior of the car. Alright guys, and here is how much headroom do I have here. So I would say this is very nice. I would say it's like 15 centimeters, 8 inches more or less, plenty of headroom, and I'm 186 centimeters, 6 feet and 1 inch, a little bit more than that. Alright, so now we can check out the boot capacity, boot space of the X5. You can also open here this lower part. So now it's fully open and it's pretty spacious. You can check out the liters and cubic feet on the screen. Here is also the X, very nice detail, and 12-volt socket. Here we have some hook, very cool, and this aluminum, very cool detail as well. So definitely let me know what you think about the space. Also we can fold the seats 40-20-40 with a split, and I think this opens automatically with the car. I'm not actually sure, it doesn't go, so probably it is automatic. Okay, so this is for this, check it out. Oh wow. Wow, this is amazing. I never seen this. Wow, check it out now. Wow, this is amazing, so cool. Wow, so practical. So this is automatic and it can even go into the floor. How amazing is this? I think more brands need to start to do this. So yeah, very cool. And you can have small spare tire here. And you can close it like this as well. And the top as well. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.